Hey everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Thursday, February 15th, 2024. So I'm going to say the Bears just pretty much fumbled the ball today. And even though we're not at the new all-time highs, if I was going to take a good guess, I think it's going to be happening either tomorrow or on Tuesday. I think we have Monday off. I'm pretty sure it's President's Day. But in any case, this is I'm going to show you the reasons why I'm pretty confident we're going to see new highs here. Is you can see the stocks above their 50-day moving average had a massive day today, up 13%. So now we have more stocks that are starting to participate in getting above their 50-day moving average. But this is really the kicker for the Bears here, and it's the NIAID. And I've been talking about this sell signal going all the way back into December. And it was, we weren't really moving up or down. It wasn't really having any big moves, but we maintained this sell signal. And if you look now, you can see we're kind of breaking out of it. We're almost at the highs that we were. So basically, that's just going to recycle and start another push higher. And most likely, I mean, if it plays out as is. Most likely we're going to see this carry on into March and then start a clean slate for the month and see if the Bears can do anything, because they've really just failed miserably. Any kind of big move they've had, they tried it twice and it got bid back up within days, and this is the same thing. So we're at 50.29. High here was 50.49. Is that right? Let me see something. Yeah. The 50.49. So they got about 20 more points to get up there. We have bearish divergences, but like I said, with the internals starting to fix themselves, correct themselves, I don't think the Bears have a leg right now to stand on, and they're going to just have to regroup when it comes into into March. And again, it doesn't take away any of the risk that's out there. I know interest rates are starting to move back higher again. We do have the sell signals on the daily chart as well. So there's risk out there, but right now, this move looks like it was a failure, just another one-day wonder. And really, what the Bears needed to get it through this pivot line right here. They would have had the 48.90 as support, but as I said, that I believe that there was really no price support here. So I was thinking that we were going to be coming into the 48.44 and then down to the 4800. But they needed to hold it below the the 49.74. I said once they get above this, then most likely we're coming up to close the gap, which we did. And if this didn't hold them down, the next stop was going to be up at the to test the all-time highs. And the question is, is it going to be a double top? Maybe. Right now it's hard to give the Bears any kind of say credit, or not even credit, but just hope, because they're just failing miserably at everything. So there's just no real sellers out there. The sellers are coming in panic, and meaning that we're getting those one-day moves that are the S&P's down 85, 90 points. It looks like there's a start of something. They just needed to put another day together to get momentum going, and they failed. So it's it's pretty easy right now. We have, if the bulls open up tomorrow, the next resistance is going to be the all-time highs. Above that, I just usually go every 10 points. It's tough to say. Now, one we can use is just this trend line saying that it could be somewhere up at the 50.73 if it goes up there. The Bears, they're going to have to get it through this support zone right here. It's the 50.14 down to the 5,000 level. You can see we have some the moving average here, so they're going to have to battle this one. If they do, then we're going to come down to that important 49.83 level, or 75, I should say. And if they get through that, then they got a fighting chance. But right now, I just don't see it. They just have zero desire to try to push this market lower, and there's zero follow through at all. And as I said, with the The internals are my intermediate term charts that I follow. With them starting to correct themselves, it doesn't look good for them, at least until we head into the March timeframe. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.